Hey everybody, it's a Ginger Optimist and it's time for another soap video. Let's do it. I'm all geared up for safety. Long sleeves, gloves. Now I'm going to put on my safety goggles. And we're going to begin this process. I'm going to begin by adding my coconut oil, which is already pre-measured. I'll leave the recipe down below under Show More. Now the olive oil. And now Crisco. I'm going to put my oil in the microwave and melt it, and then we'll come right back. Okay, we have our oils melted. Since I put the oils in the microwave, it made them quite hot, so I put them in an icy water bath after taking them out of the microwave to bring the temperature back down below 120 Fahrenheit, and I did the same thing with the lye water. And I've already added the lye to my distilled water. Now I'm going to add sodium lactate to my lye water. The sodium lactate will help your soap to harden. I'm going to burp my oils just a little bit. Now I'm going to pour the lye water down the shaft of my blender. That's to keep from too many bubbles getting into our soap. Now let's begin to blend. I'm going to add 0.50 ounces of pure orange essential oil. I'm going to add half of my soap mixture into this cup so I can add orange colorant as a blend. Now I'll add the orange colorant. I'm going to begin pouring these into our soap molds. I'm going to take a stick and just swirl the soap around. We're going to let the soap sit for 24 to 48 hours before I remove them from the soap molds, and then we're going to let them sit for 4 to 6 weeks to cure, and then they're ready to go. Thank you so much for watching the Ginger Optimist. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're not following me already, I hope you will. Have a great rest of your day, my friends, and I'll see you on the next video. God bless. Bye.